tour was good because it allowed skip-the-line entry to the factory. Even during off-peak season there was a long queue, and the guide also helped bring the info to life. The museum itself was well organized and allowed you to feel what it was like. The same guide brought us on the walking tour and she was very knowledgeable. It's always nice to see what in the textbook in real. Good to have someone explain the details and what had happened. A fantastic experience. The tour guide provided very clear explanations. Besides Schindler's factory, we also walked through the Jewish quarter and saw many historical buildings that have been preserved.